XRP, or Ripple, currently the fifth largest cryptocurrency worldwide, gives us reason to believe the company Ripple Labs has a bright future and XRP could be a great investment. On the other hand, maybe not. Let's go over what Ripple is, how XRP is related to Ripple, and some information that could give us insight on what's to come for Ripple's cryptocurrency XRP in 21 and beyond. But first, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification buttons, and comment below if you have an opinion. It all greatly helps the channel. XRP was first released in 2012 and is widely referred to as Ripple to describe the cryptocurrency. The company itself, Ripple Labs, and the network the company runs on, RippleNet. The company's objective is to initiate cross-border transfers between financial institutions quicker and more efficiently. Initially, XRP was designed to be the fuel for RippleNet's cross-border payment technology. However, the company's payment network is not contingent upon the use of the digital asset XRP, but it does provide an extra layer of ease for participating customers. Ripple offers a service they call ODT, which stands for On-Demand Liquidity, available in Australia, the United States, the Eurozone, the Philippines, and Mexico. Ripple's website states, through the On-Demand Liquidity, or ODL service, RippleNet leverages the digital asset XRP as a bridge between two currencies, allowing you to eliminate pre-funding of destination accounts, reduce operational costs, and unlock capital. Ripple is still able to provide international payment solutions with cheaper and quicker transfers without the use of XRP. This makes Ripple much easier to partner with for financial institutes who have yet to accept cryptocurrencies, potentially making Ripple a gateway to future mass adoption of cryptocurrency. Now, most cryptocurrencies focus on individuals. Ripple is unique in the sense that they are bank-focused. They aim to serve financial institutions, enabling them to lower transaction costs and execute settlements more efficiently. Some big names in the banking world are using Ripple, including PNC, Santander, JP Morgan, MoneyGram, and hundreds of other financial institutes have utilized Ripple's blockchain-like network to swap currencies and settle remittance payments worldwide. RippleNet supports over 55 countries and over 120 currency pairs. By looking at the image, it is easy to see the company still has a good amount of room for growth. For investors, this is good news. This is one of the main indicators of a bright future. More importantly, the company came to an industry in need and solved a major problem. In order for any asset to be a good investment, it must have these two factors: considerable growth potential, and it must solve a problem. RippleNet has both of those boxes checked. It is fair to assume within the next few years, the most widely adopted and successful cryptocurrencies will be the companies with the greatest fundamental value and innovation potential. Ripple may very well be amongst the few that will stand out above the rest. Ripple has provided a solution to inefficiencies that have been limiting the world of banking for decades. Banks have mainly been using the SWIFT payment since 1977, and to say the least, it's not very swift. Though it's served its purpose well, advancement in every industry are demanded as society becomes more acquainted with instant gratification. Using SWIFT, transferring funds currently takes about 3 to 5 business days to be able to transfer cross borders and swap currencies. This is a major inconvenience for institutions. Let me give you an example of what goes on within those days. Banks use many different networks. Often there is not a direct line between banks that wish to transfer funds. When a bank wants to send money to another bank, it's highly likely the transaction will go through a number of intermediary banks in search of a common network connection to have a clear path for the money to transfer. That is why it takes so long. Additionally, each bank involved in this process has a price tag for servicing the transaction, and fees pile up. To complicate this process even more, when a transaction requires a currency conversion, it becomes more problematic and expensive. To sum it all up, the banking systems before Ripple didn't have a main connecting network with a general consensus following the same set of rules that has been in desperate need of modernization. So if it takes 3 to 5 business days to transfer money from one bank account to the next, but it can take 5 to 10 seconds to transfer cryptocurrencies, the benefit here is truly a no-brainer. So now that we understand what Ripple's role in the advancement of the banking industry and how XRP is the icing on the cake of that role, what was the catalyst to the XRP spike in November 2020, and is that just the beginning for Ripple's ascent? News about the company is often a key factor of bull runs. The last few months of 2020 has been pretty exciting for the company. August 2020, India's largest bank, HDFC Bank Limited joined RippleNet. In September, Reuters published a report claiming the European Commission is looking to encourage digital finance by implementing a new framework. The report states, by 2024, the EU should put in place a comprehensive framework enabling the uptake of distributed ledger technologies and crypto assets in the financial sector. It should also address the risks associated with these technologies. November, Ripple confirmed the Bank of America has been added to their list of clients, Bank of America being the second largest US bank. Also in November, the OMFIF, which stands for Official Monetary and Financial Institutions Forum, published a report that recognizes blockchain technology as a solution for multiple industries. For the banking system specifically, the OMFIF outlines how direct ledger technology, on which XRP operates, could be a solution for a handful of key issues: security, speed, transparency, traceability, cost, and risk management. Additionally stating that Ripple is seeking to position itself as an alternative to SWIFT. The report then explains the benefit for banks to replace SWIFT with an XRP pool, making transactions more secure and more efficient. The bank only has to hold its domestic currency and maintain one account with XRP, with only enough XRP to service its largest expected payment obligation. This process minimizes the number of intermediaries and their markup on spreads. Ripple has quite a bit more to offer than I have mentioned, and they may also have the ability to take over the world, but let's not forget why we're here. Let's get into what the experts are saying about the price of XRP in the next few years and see what that looks like for you. After the bull run on November 24th, 2020, the coin has lost some of its shine. Credible Crypto, the crypto analyst and Twitter influencer, claims the correction that XRP faced is perfectly healthy and normal for a cryptocurrency. Many analysts expect XRP to reach a price of $25 to $30 long term. Credible Crypto claims that before this happens, there will be a drop in the market, about 30%, suggesting you have the right idea for the pullback region. Many alts will dump hard, but XRP/BTC is on support, so it may not be affected as badly as other alts. Such a downturn in the crypto market could offer fantastic investment opportunities for new investors. He says to be able to buy XRP anywhere between 38 cents and 55 cents is a blessing, and if you get this chance, you best take it. CoinSwitch is also optimistic, claiming XRP might reach $2 within 2021, trading around $3 in 2023, and rise up to about $4.52 by 2025, considering the new partnerships and upcoming technologies. Now, it's undeniable Ripple has seen many accomplishments recently, and many of the XRP predictions look rather promising, though not everyone is that optimistic. Wallet Investor, a forecasting service, expects XRP to trade above 70 cents in the beginning of 2021 before taking a massive plunge. They believe XRP is a bad long-term investment, and long-term being at least 1 year. The website's longer-term Ripple market forecast predicts XRP would trade at an average of 30 cents by the end of 2021. The start of 2022, XRP may hit 50 cents. In August, they predict it will drop below 10 cents, recovering to close the year at about 37 cents, and it is estimated that XRP will be priced between 50 cents and 60 cents in November 2025. One of the most bearish predictions came from longforecast.com, suggesting by the end of 2020, XRP will be at 38 cents, further backsliding to close 2021 and 26 cents and reach 8 cents by December 2023. Some of these bearish standpoints may have developed as a result of the news released in December 2020, revealing the SEC, or Securities and Exchange Commission, has filed a lawsuit against Ripple claiming that the company conducted an unlawful issuance of securities. There are many speculations of XRP falling to zero and widespread delisting, but that is pretty unlikely. There are a few exchanges that have already halted XRP trade, but the SEC's allegations have yet to be proven in a court of law, and you can bet they're going to fight it. It's important to recognize Ripple's reach is far beyond US borders. Credible Crypto tweeted, "It's the international exchanges that bring in 90+% of the volume." Hopefully, that's enough to pull them through, but many investors are still a little anxious, to say the least. Concerns are quite reasonable, especially when co-founder Jed McCaleb can't seem to get rid of it fast enough. It is likely the company will take a hit in one way or the other, but are bound to rebuild in a way that complies with whatever new standard is set, but how long will that take? It's possible the lawsuit alone could drag out over multiple years, let alone the company's recovery time from it. Will their reputation be tainted at that point? Will major financial institutions lose their trust? Will a runner-up have stepped up into their shoes, providing this groundbreaking solution to financial institutes? Will someone build a different blockchain cryptocurrency that is decentralized to solve the same problem? These are the risks to consider and questions to ask yourself before you determine if Ripple is or is not a good investment. Warren Buffett once said, "True wealth comes from being an early investor in innovation." First court date for the SEC lawsuit is set for February 22nd, 2021. My advice to you, watch the news, because if they pull through this unscathed, or even if they stumble a bit but get back up, you might just want to have a few ripples in your crypto pool. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.